Welcome to our channel. Today we how to make your TikTok account private, privacy setup step by step clearly. Open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you are logged into the correct account. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right to go to your profile page. Look at the top right corner and tap the menu button to open more options. From the menu, tap Settings and Privacy to access your account controls. In the Settings and Privacy page, find the section called Privacy and tap it. On the privacy screen, locate the option labeled Private Account. Tap the switch next to Private Account to turn it on. Confirm the change if TikTok shows a pop-up asking you to approve the setting. Understand that when your account is private, only approved followers can watch your videos. Go back to the privacy screen and tap Followers to review who is following you. Remove any follower you do not recognize by opening their profile and using the Remove option. Return to Privacy and tap Comments to control who can comment on your videos. Set comments to friends or no one if you want maximum privacy. Go back and tap Mentions to choose who can mention your account in captions and comments. Set mentions to friends or no one to reduce unwanted attention. Next, tap Direct Messages to control who can message you. Set direct messages to friends or no one depending on how strict you want it. Go back and tap Stitch to decide who can stitch your videos. Set Stitch to only you if you do not want others to reuse your content. Return and tap Duet to control who can duet with your videos. Set Duet to only you for the strongest privacy setting. Go back and find Downloads and turn off video downloads if you do not want your videos saved. In Privacy, open Liked Videos and set it to only you to hide your likes. Next, open Following List and set it to only you if you want to hide who you follow. Scroll to suggest your account to others and turn off suggestions for more privacy. Go back to Settings and Privacy and tap Security and Permissions if you want to review device access. Check Login Devices and remove any device you do not recognize. Finally, return to your profile and verify your private account icon is active on the privacy setting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.